Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today, we are explore how to create professional masking using mask overlay mode. Begin by selecting your subject roughly and opening the Select and Mask workspace. Activate Mask Overlay to clearly visualize masked and unmasked areas. Refine the mask using the brush tool, working slowly around edges. Adjust brush size often to maintain precision. For fine details, lower opacity and build the mask gradually. Use edge refinement controls to enhance clarity and reduce harsh transitions. Zoom in to inspect details and ensure